So hi guys, I'm Sid and today I'm going to review Toyota Camry. So first have a look at the key. You get lock button, unlock button and boot release button. So let's straight away move toward the engine bay. First I will open it. Yes. So you get an hydraulic struts for this and also insulation. Basically this car gets 2.5 liter petrol hybrid engine. Now petrol output is about 178 PS of power and 220 Nm of a torque at the rate 3600 rpm to 5200 rpm, and the battery output is about 120 PS of power and and torque is 202 Nm of a torque. Now combined output is about 218 PS of power. So this is now the ARI mileage about the car is. So the ARI mileage of this car is about 19.16 kmpl. So let's move towards the let's see what it offers at the exterior and as well as the interior. So you get the front Toyota logo with this blue light, blue embossing, which defines that this is a electric hybrid car. Here you have the number plate area. This is a floating grill. You can see you get the chrome grill as well. Now you get the LED headlamps with the LED DRL and indicators as well. Also you get the LED fog lamps. So this is how the Camry looks at the front. Now this car is made on the body shell of the LX300H, Lexus ES300H, which competes with the 3 Series. So this is the Toyota hybrid. Now the tire size of this car is about 235 45 R18. Now you get the multi-spoke alloy wheels with the disc brake at the front as well. You get MacPherson strut suspension at the front. So here you have the hybrid badging. Now you get the electro folding ORVMs, electrically adjustable hydrophilic side mirrors with the turn indicators, wide view, reverse link and memory function. So this is how the looks. Now let's move inside the car. Now first we will check out. So this is how the mirror looks. So let's check the rear. Now you get the chrome surrounding across the window pane, you can see, which enhances the look and gives a luxury look as well. You get the chrome door handles as well. Now the rear tire size is about 235 45 or 15 with the forged alloys, and you also get disc brakes at the rear. You get double wishbone suspension at the rear. Let's move towards the tailgate. Now you get the LED tail lights. So these tail lights goes across here to the side fender with the LED indicators, LED tail lights. Here you have the hybrid badging. Here you have the reverse parking camera, Camry badging with the chrome surroundings as well. This is the Toyota logo. So you can also open the boot through button. First let me open it. This open. So this is how the overall boot looks like. You have the wide angle of the boot. You can also access the boot through the rear seats as well. So this is here you also have spare wheel function. Here you have some space to keep the toolkits and many more things that you want, or basically the things related to the cars. So these are what it. So let's check now so hey guys, now here this is the boot of the Camry. Now the boot space is about 524 liters of boot space. Here you have some space to keep your toolkits. Here you have the safety triangle, and the boot light is situated over here at the hubs to make it more easier when you are at the night when you open the boot. Now you get the spare wheel. Here you have the toolkits, and spare wheel is situated underneath the car. So you can access the boot through the rear seat as well. Here you have the function, I will tell you later. So let's get inside the car. First we'll move to the driver side. At the driver you get, these are the controls for your windows. They are all the windows are one touch up down. Here these are the controls for your light. These are the controls for your ORVMs, and these are the memory seat functions. Here you have 9 speakers. Now this car is mated with is equipped with the JBL surround system with the 9 speaker as well. Here you have some space to keep your newspaper. So the seat this car gets electrically adjustable seats and the ventilation option as well. So let's move into the car. Now this car the safety equipment of this car is that it is equipped with the 9 airbags and ABS and ABD. So you can check out. Here you have start stop button. First let me on the car. The Toyota badging. Now this car gets a 7-inch touch screen. I will tell you later. This is how the animation looks like. So here you have the digital display with analog display as well. For the digital type, you can toggle through steering as well. So here on the analog part, it shows the speedometer and the fuel gauge, and on the left side it shows the tachometer and also the power of the car in which mode you are driving. So here it shows the temperature of the car. Now here you have the park, means which car the car is in which mode. Here your AV mode, your parking sensors are on, everything, time, you get everything. You can also toggle it. Just let me toggle. So you can Bluetooth audio. So you also get the tire pressure monitor systems. So this is the parking sensor on off. You can also get the HUD heads up display. So basically you get the heads up display from here. So this is also another great feature to have. Here sunshade, you can also control the real sunshade, which is situated at the back. You can also control through here. These are the vehicle settings. You can also change detail settings about the instrument cluster. So you get this 3-spoke beautifully sculpted steering wheel, leather steering wheel. Here are the controls for your media and also for the instrument cluster. These are the media voice command. Here you have the Toyota logo. These are the controls for your cruise control and mode. You can also change through here. Now these toggles are for their wipers, and these toggles are for your indicators and light switch. Now this car is also equipped with the paddle shifters. You can see here you have minus, here you have plus. So this is how the actual interface of the instrument cluster looks like. Now you have got the floating 7-inch touchscreen system. Here you can also, here is the home and menu, destination, audio. The touch response is good. You can also change the display of the car as well, and you can also control through the touch as well as through the buttons which are situated near the touchscreen system. This is a hazard lamp switch. Here you have the AC vents. Now this car has been used, they have used the soft touch material over here, leather material over here, to make it more special, more luxurious, and you get the solid stone metallic like finish over here. You can see this runs across the infotainment system. You can see now there you have the AC vents. Here also you have AC vents. These are the controls for your petrol lid, this boot lid, and to on and off the traction control. And here you have some dummy buttons. Here you have some space to keep your wallet or then tickets if you want. So you get sunshade with the vanity mirror and light. It's very easy. And close it. You have the auto dimming IRVM. This is the sunroof. This car gets a sunroof. This is the car of the Toyota which gets sunroofs in India. Here are the reading lights. You can also do lock and unlock everything. So here you have the 12-volt charging socket. Here also you have a USB port socket, and here you have the wireless charging socket as well. Here are the cup holders. This is the 9-speed CVT gearbox. Here you have eco mode, normal mode, and sport mode. Also an EV mode. When you switch the car in EV mode, if you engage it, then the car will drive on the battery. Here you have hold button. You have the electronic parking brake. Here you have huge armrest with a soft material to make you more comfortable when you're riding. And these are the controls for ventilation. The seats of the co-driver and driver are equipped with the ventilation. You can see the perforation. So you also have huge space underneath the armrest. So this is what it all offers at the front. Now here also you have the solid stone metallic like finish. which looks quite good, and you get dual tone interiors. Upside is of the black color, and on the downside you get the beige, and also here you have some silverish white or the off cream white leatherette. Here you have ambient lighting. You can see this. So 3-zone climate control means you can adjust the temperature as per your needs. Now the driver can adjust the temperature. If, for example, if the driver needs 19 degrees Celsius temperature, and the co-driver can set the 20 degrees Celsius temperature, and the rear passenger also can set their temperature according to their will or according to their wish they want. So this is what it all offers at the front. Now let's check and let's move towards the back, and let's see what it offers at the back as well. So let's jump to the rear. Now the main thing that I have forgot to notice you, that when you on the car, the steering just comes down, which is a very good feature to have. And here you have this car also gives a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, but electrical adjusting, not the manual one. This adds a comfort for you. And now the comfort about of these seats are good. You will not feel any tiredness when for the long drives. More supportive, more comfortable. Leg room is also under thigh support is also good. Your bolstering is also good. You get the leather type upholstery. So let's jump to the rear. First I will off the car. When you off it, again the steering goes up. This makes you easy to get out and get in or of the car, and it remembers the settings. Here also you get the Camry scuff plate. I will show you afterwards. Let's move to the rear seats. So for the rear end, talking about the amenities at the rear, you get these are the controls for your power windows. You get the manual adjustable sunshades. These are the here you are to open the door, to close the door, to unlock lock. Here you have grab handle with a soft finish to keep your elbow. Here you have some space. Now the space at the car at the rear of the car at the rear is good. I have ample amount of leg room, ample amount of headroom as well. Under thigh support is good. The total cushioning of the car is also good. Now the most important and the highlighted feature of this car is that you have touch operator system over here. You can change you can tune the track through here as well. Of the here also you can adjust the manual shade, electrical shade. This is how it looks. Now you can also set the temperature of the rear as well. As I have told that this car gets the 3-zone climate control. You can set the temperature through here as well. You can adjust the seat the way you want, the reclination of the seat. These are the controls for that seat. These are the controls for this seat. So see, it seems that you have started in most luxurious car, because this feature you get this feature in the Mercedes E-Class or the higher segment cars. Now this is a car, this is the first car to offer this type of features at this price point. Now this car, the price of this car is 48 lakhs on the road Kolhapur. Now it may vary city to city, but it is very good feature to on offer. So here you have the cup holders. Here you have the soft touch armrest, and also you can access the boot through here. It's so funny. If you want to carry some long item, or if you want to just access the boot and remove some of the stuff, you can also do it from here. Now you have got adjustable headrest. The headrest cushioning is also good. Will give you more support, and most of the owner of this car would like to spend their time at the rear seat as well. So this is what it all offers. Now the comfort of the car is great, and you will won't feel any tiredness for the long drives. The seats are more good to cushion you, more comfortable, holds you good. Here you have ambient light as well. So the central tunnel is up high over here. Now these are the AC vents. Here also you get this and that metallic stone, solid metallic stone finish. Here you have 2 in USB sockets. So here also you have ISOFIX child mounts. I'll show you 3-point seat belts. Now this, and here are controls for a reading light. See, it gives you a good feeling when you are at the back. It seems that you are riding an expensive car. Here you have the grab handle with the coat hook as well. So this is what it all offers at the rear.